We are in Athens, and Athens is infamous for middle of the night flights. Now we have to be at the airport at midnight, and if you're like us looking for a day hotel, we found a great deal in the heart of Athens, right inside Plaka. Let's give you a tour.
We are leaving one apartment, going to the other apartment for a few hours. So this is our daytime hotel experience in Athens, Greece. We couldn't extend this apartment for another day, which is why we have to leave it. We are leaving at 11:20. The other apartment's not ready until 3, although they said we can bring our luggage and leave it at the apartment, which is nice. So let's go there. Here we are in front of Athenian veranda. I'm hoping that's our apartment. She got the key. We're gonna go in and show you guys what it looks like.
Come on in.
First thing to note, couple of steps. So if you cannot do step, keep that in mind. But it smells really nice in here.
Smells really nice in here.
All right, like Alia said, we have to be at the airport at midnight. We have a 3:55 a.m. flight on Turkish Airlines out of Athens, and we were looking for bag storage. Just you can check out. We got a couple of small, couple of big backpacks. We have a whole day. And it was costing us around €30 to store all of that in these lockers that are 24 hours.
Now we had to check out from our apartment at 11 a.m. and until midnight tonight, this is at least 12 hours of bag storage, of us freshening up before the airport. So a lot of that taking in account, we were trying to extend our stay in our apartment, but it was unfortunately unavailable. So we were looking for another place where we could just store our luggage. We could go out if we needed to explore a little bit more and freshen up before our long flight back to New York.
So here's the apartment. Let's give you guys a tour, but stick around. We're going to tell you how much we spend at the end of the video because there was actually a nice little gem surprise at the back of this apartment.
So as you can see, this is the walkway that brings you into the apartment. There's rooms on each side. Now I'm taking you here first because this is our living room or main sitting area or family room, whatever you want to call it.
It's perfect for a family of 4 and it's especially perfect for all of us. Now surprisingly, I noticed one thing. There's no wall art anywhere. In the other apartment that we stayed, there was wall art, but over the years, I think it broke and now there were nails sticking out, whatever. So they just went with a complete clean look, which I actually like. It
is pretty blank look. I can also see there's some hooks on above the windows, but there are no curtains. So lack of all that, maybe our voices are echoing a little bit. Yeah. But it does make the apartment look clean.
Now the apartment comes with the sheet with emergency contact list and phone numbers. They also send you a bunch of information. What time do you check in? Typical time to check in is 3 p.m. We requested early check-in. We were in here by 11:40. They actually sent us a message around 11 o'clock. So I've seen that on this review. We're going to put the link of this apartment in the description. This apartment also comes with Wi-Fi and a TV. So let's continue the tour. I do like the table for 4, no backs, but I like that they included it in here rather than not because we'll probably be eating something here before we head over to the airport. So this is what it looks like. I do want to highlight massive ceilings. I mean, you're looking at a 12-foot ceilings like those pre-war apartments in New York City. So high ceilings, which is why our voice is also echoing. Next up is
the bathroom.
All right, let's check this out. Small sink, toilet. Look at this. They even put a seal on it that it was disinfected. You got towels. You have soap. That is very good. And a stand-in shower. We are very happy. This is not a wet bath situation because we stayed in Athens for about 5-6 days. And taking showers in wet bath can get... I don't really like them. Everything gets wet. So we had 2 bathrooms, luckily, and we converted one to wet bath in the previous, if you checked our episode. But I like that there's a shower here. Now, next up is
the kitchen. You have a full-size stove with an oven and a microwave and a huge fridge.
And a new fridge. I feel like, there's a bottle of water in there. I wonder if that's for us.
I'm sure it is for us.
So now, just remember, in Athens, Greece, it is okay to drink tap water. We read it everywhere. We just chose to bring some water bottles. when we were settling into the other apartment because we were going out for walks and water is not that expensive here.
So we're checking out the kitchen and it has everything. You can see pots and pans, you have dinnerware, you have glasses, cutlery, and you have coffee, kettle, and
Nespresso?
yeah.
And by the way, we keep checking. They actually, all of these drawers are full
Yeah.
with more pots and pans, cutting board, everything that you need
I would
for
say
your
even
stay.
more than the previous apartment.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is well equipped, so really like that. Now, next up, we're gonna move into our second bedroom. Now, for perspective, see, this is where we entered. You have bedroom, you have living room, which is right over here, bathroom, kitchen, and now check this out. Closet, but they hooked it up with an IKEA style storage solution. A few hangers here. You have outlets. You actually have a couple of lamps here as well. You have towels, plenty of towels. The beds look really comfortable. One of the compliments on the booking.com site was people talking about how comfortable these beds were.
And then you have the AC unit in the room as well.
AC unit up there. Now, last but not least, we're going to show you guys what the little gem is in the back. So we'll give you a little peek from here because this one has corner window. First corner window is through here. You can see some steps. And second corner window is here. Check it out. Now let's head out and explore.
Okay, so actually before we head out, why don't we complete the whole circle and show you the first bedroom. Again, this is the entrance, that's the bedroom, and then you can explore more, but let's go in here. And ta-da, this is your bedroom.
Very similar to the other one, except for one thing. They have a nice bench here, perfect to put your suitcases. And you got another control unit, AC and heat. That's nice to see. Comfortable queen size beds here, a couple of nightstands, and you also have a window in the front.
Now, as you can see, this bedroom window and the living room window, they're facing the front street, so they are both barred.
Yeah, they are. They have help, get me out of here, jail situation happening here. But I've noticed that on every apartment building here, Ali is trying to open this window. So
There's 3 layers of windows. First is the glass window, then you have these shutters
the storm shutters
that you can open. And then you have your bar.
Yeah, that's actually really nice.
I like the fresh air coming in.
I really like the fresh air.
So we can leave this open. We can just close this. That way we are looking outside without any of the elements coming in. Now let's head on to the back of the apartment and check out the surprise element.
Now that surprise element is through the kitchen. There was a door that we opened and we have a little... All right, so here we are in the back veranda. We were not expecting that. I did see a little picture, but I love that there was a little balcony. And after days of looking at other apartment buildings, it's nice to be looking at these lemon trees with a spiral staircase that goes up. Now this is a shared space, but this is ours. And if I come here, you can see that's the bedroom number 2 right behind Alia. So really nice, comfortable. Now when we came out, there was somebody, like I think caretaker, who is now cleaning. There's washing and dryer, but this is all public space here. So they're coming and cleaning. Our room starts here and the balcony here.
So now the question is, how much do you pay for an apartment like this in the heart of Plaka?
And the answer is very simple. We booked it a day before that we arrived, so I don't know if we got a last minute deal, but this was 63 euros. Only 63 euros. That means about 75 US dollars for an apartment with this beautiful sitting area, lemon. And for us, it was a no-brainer for us to go have a home base as we go explore Athens for one last day, come back, shower, and head to the airport at midnight. So the tip is, do not be scared of using booking.com or any other site. I mean, this is not sponsored or anything. We just use Booking and Expedia, whichever offers us the cheapest rate. And at the last minute, you can score an apartment like this, which is really nice, well-maintained, so
Yeah.
close to the city. From here to the Acropolis South
Prime
entrance.
location, yes.
Yeah, it's about 3-minute walk from here to the Acropolis, which is insane. Now, no views, so if that matters to you, that won't work. But I mean, for us, man, we got
For
really
us,
lucked
this
out.
is a great deal because we only needed a space for 12 hours where we could freshen up, where we could store our luggage if we wanted to go out, explore more.
Even cook.
And
We still have some
yeah.
eggs from the other apartment.
So this is an amazing, and because we have an overnight flight, we wouldn't mind resting a little bit before we head on to the airport.
So now we're gonna pick you guys up when we are leaving this apartment at midnight. We'll tell you how we used it at the end. So not so fast. Why don't we show you guys the outside? So again, you saw us entering this building. That's apartment number 19. That's us. But right in front of us is, check this out. There's this beautiful tavern and cafe. People are checking out the menu. Oh, that is really nice. On the other side is just a residential street, but having a cafe 5 steps from the apartment, that's very convenient. Now we can say we'll pick you guys up in a little bit when we are heading out in the middle of the night to the airport, and we'll let you know how comfortable this was. Like Alia said at the start, we are set to go to the airport, but we just have maybe an hour and a half. We're gonna go explore. What did you find?
It's so cute. Look at that. This is the main door.
Yeah.
And if you want to just open this part, collect your mail or something.
Not seen that before. That's actually really smart.
It's very cute.
All right, let's head out. By the way, check this out. This is us using the apartment. We're about to go to sleep. It's about 5 o'clock. But we actually use the space, like we said, to repack our suitcases, because some of these we will get them in New York. Some of them we'll get them, or we'll have them in Turkey with us. So really nice. And if you come along here, you will check out the kids are all getting tucked in. They're going to be on their phones for an hour. And then it's 5 to 10 would be our sleep time. But I actually really like this apartment. It's like perfect for what we needed today. Again, 63 euros. And we did make use of the kitchen. We were actually baking and making and eating some sandwiches. Oh, I'm gonna grab my Pepsi Lime. That'll be my drink of choice as we get ready. All right, now we'll pick you guys up when we're leaving. I'll tell you about the beds here. Here we are, it's 11:43. We didn't spend a whole night here, but we did get to lay down in bed for a few hours. The kid actually took a nap. Bed's very comfortable. From a recap perspective, I actually like this for a short stay. Now, the things to note is if you're a family of 4, there's 1 bathroom, and in this whole apartment, a single mirror. So keep that in mind, right? So we had to like time when somebody will go in. Utensil wise, like Alia made some French fries, some eggs, but there's 1 spatula, so she had to keep that in mind as well.
It's manageable, but if you have like a longer stay, those are some of the things to keep in mind. Also, there is no iron and ironing board. Now, we didn't need it because we only had half a day, but if you're planning a longer trip, then that's just something you want to
keep in mind. And then last but not least, lighting. You can check out, there's a single lamp hanging in each room, creates shadows. So at night, it's interesting, but in daytime, the windows and the back door, like really, really nice property. On that, hopefully, informational note,
and cleanliness is like top notch. I found all the sheets, the bathroom, the floors, kitchen, everything was very clean. And as soon as we entered, the house smelled really, really nice.
So thumbs up to that. Again, 63 euros, $75 is all what we spend to be here for more than 12 hours, a little bit more than 12 hours. The room was available to us at 11 o'clock. The host, super responsive on booking.com. On this hopefully informational note, make sure you come back, check some of our other videos out, and we're going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.
And we'll show you guys about our beds here.